yeah, I love these videos. Oh, so
Maybe
satisfying.
first.
Exactly. Hot knife into the bottle, edging
Yes.
tape, my favorite kind of tape. Pull it through, and boom, you got little glue tape.
Yeah.
Next, we have a burning thing for your lighter. Easy cut, no problem.
Here we go. Okay.
Styrofoam battery, easy
key.
cut, no problem. Masking tape,
Yeah.
no problem.
Round wood.
No problem. Silicone hose, actually surprisingly, no problem.
It can hold a wire.
It can hold the wire really good, no problem anymore. So what's the problem here? There's a little bend in it.
Bend.
What are we gonna do?
Cut it well.
No problem. Metal pipe, what's the problem?
But there's
Bike
no-
chain, rivet, like a frog. Next. Now it is oh, it's an unscrewing
It's a
thing.
wrench.
Ah, no problem. Okay, so now we have.
Yeah. Okay, what's happened? We didn't get it.
I don't even know that was so fast.
This is a problem.
This is a problem. Slow down the video. No problem. Okay, so we have. Ooh, now it's
okay.
automatic.
Okay.
I like it, but at the same time, it might get in the way a little bit.
It's not comfortable. I mean, for some
Yeah.
things it's good, for some no.
Why does it need to have the things in the middle?
It's like a holder. I mean,
Okay.
to YouTuber, to easy holder. But what is this for? I mean,
I don't know.
tape holder? It's so convenient.
Putting our little wires in there. Going
And
through, heat gun, squish it. That looks like the most complicated way to make a connection, and also it's very ugly.
we tested.
Yeah.
And I love it.
You love it?
Yeah.
What?
It's complicated. You're right. The old comments which you mentioned, that's all about this hack. But I love it.
Okay.
I mean, it's inconvenient to have such a connection, but it worked pretty well.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. And now, of course, butter.
Peanut butter. Peanut butter.
Yeah.
No problem. So now we have lunch and a fixed floor.
Yes, exactly.
I feel like peanut butter goes bad though. Are you sure you want that underneath your floor?
No, don't repeat it, please.
Okay, pen.
Don't believe everything.
Metal cable.
So what is this?
I don't know.
Oh, it's like.
Wow, rust cleaner. That's awesome.
Wow.
We need to test that now.
Right now.
Right now. Literally,
Okay,
where is my drill?
let's go.
Get the drill. Okay. So we're fixing a door with some foam.
Okay. That's okay. How would they block this?
Okay, so we have
yeah.
the controller through the wall because you
Some
get really
ang-
angry sometimes.
Yeah.
How did you kill me? You have an aimbot, you loser. Hate that. Okay.
Have you ever been so angry that you broke some?
Never ever. I've had friends that were,
Yeah.
and I don't hang out with them anymore. Anger issues.
Yeah, me neither. I never broke any stuff.
Guys, let us know below.
Yeah.
Did you ever break anything because of a game? Did you ever break your laptop, your keyboard, your mouse,
Not-
controller,
Yeah, not judging here.
girlfriend's heart,
That was.
glue gun? Okay, so now we have a nice little connection here that looks not very nice actually.
Okay. Yeah, but come
They didn't even squeeze it.
They didn't. Yeah, that did well. What the lazy job was done there?
Okay, so,
Not appreciated.
wow, this is weird.
How
That
do
looks very bad. What? Okay.
I mean, to make the perfect cut, you can do it on a piece of paper. Now you'll find your.
What the heck is that thing? That looks scary as heck. That looks like it's part of a Saw movie or something, like a horror movie.
I
Okay,
think it was part of it. So the filler.
nice. Get it all in the cracks.
Okay.
Like new. We're gonna get cement in there, pour it through.
It wasn't so liquid when they put it there.
Okay, it looks nice, it looks nice. I wanna see the end results. Come on, show me. They got it on the top of the stone.
Look at this. They just make some square.
This looks like really bad.
Yeah. That's fine.
It's okay.
Very
It's
bad.
okay.
Very
5
bad.
minute crafts, making something bad. No.
No problem.
No way.
Oh, no way.
What the? That's the stupidest thing. Oh.
Excuse me? Squeeze your nose.
Now it's more accurate. Maybe a little bit.
So, I guess.
Put some spray cap on top of this thing.
Okay.
Burn through. Bicycle. What?
Bicycle pimp.
Oh yeah.
Or how it's called.
Pump.
Pimp. I mean,
Hopefully not. Okay, so now
Pump it up.
pump the J. Oh no! Wow, that's cool. For you get some pressure in there.
We tested this. It's kinda work,
Yeah,
but not perfectly.
not amazing. So maybe we need to test it again.
Maybe. Wait a second. What did you want to say?
I'm saying that maybe I could do better.
Okay. Will do.
Okay. All right. So now we're making a lock. That's cool. But also anyone with a drill can open it.
Yeah, but maybe you need special drill, you know.
True. Yeah.
Where's my key? Oh, here we go.
That's what I do for my car as well. I just. Bro, why is there so many holes in the side of your car? Gotta open it. Gotta get to work somehow. Okay.
I mean, yeah, but for what? For your
For
wires.
holding more wires. Okay.
Kinda fine.
This one is the same technique, just
Oh.
shown closer up.
How to find the center.
Yeah.
Okay, yes. Nice.
It's good. It's good. We like.
Okay.
We like.
It looks like nunchucks,
Oh yeah.
but with a hinge.
Yeah. So not very useful. I mean, nunchucks.
Yes.
I mean, nunchucks in general, I feel like aren't really that useful, right? Like,
Yeah, I mean, it depends how good you are.
I know,
with
but
this
even like
strategy.
people
Yeah.
who are really skilled, I feel like if someone else has a better weapon, then that's just it.
Yeah, if they have a gun. you
And
know.
then really, that's it. That's it. Yeah. It's like Indiana Jones.
Yes, yes.
Why? So a can crusher.
Okay, you can use your hands.
This is for corners, I'm guessing.
Yeah,
Chip, chip,
I guess.
chip, chip.
Yeah.
Yay!
Oh,
Now my
yeah.
corners are so painted.
If you're too lazy.
My dentist just got really mad watching that. This is much better for your teeth. Ah! Don't do that.
No. I feel pain now.
Yeah, literally.
Whoa.
Okay, we're breaking this open.
Oh, okay.
Get some
You want that.
clean film or cling film? Spark protection.
Yeah, one tube and covered, I guess.
Ah, okay, maybe.
What? Wow. What?
Why
are you
not?
talking about? What you surprised?
I said
about?
wow, because then they can take the tube that doesn't hold and then bend it with the plastic.
Gotcha.
It's nice.
That actually was nice. It's like a saw, but with the sandpaper.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Ooh, sharp. And
Okay.
what next? Wow. Okay. Yeah. Wow. Nice.
It works,
Yeah. It works.
but then you can also just, if you already bought the tools for the other things, you could not break those and just get a new one. Maybe. If you can. If you want.
Maybe.
Whatever floats your boat. Okay, we'll sand this off, and now we have a longer piece of wood. Some tape, some glue, baking soda, more glue, baking soda, more glue.
Baking soda. Baking soda.
I got baking soda, I got baking soda. Okay,
Well. Shall we test it?
I think we should test it.
Yeah. Let's
That'd
do
be
it.
good.
Oh, we saw it, right? And we tested this.
Yep.
I
Yep.
love it. I love it. I don't
That's
know
really,
why you don't.
that is a nicer angle for sure. I like this video, but it looks bad.
That's could be, yeah, I agree with you. But anyway, I like it.
Not everything you like has to be good. It's okay.
That's true.
Like I like Pitch Perfect.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Don't leave the marks on your metal thing.
No scratch.
No scratch.
No scratch.
No, not today.
Never again.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
pretty good.
Yeah.
It's pretty strong.
That's
I like it.
That's pretty.
I like it a
good.
lot.
That's pretty good.
That's pretty good.
Okay. Oh, that's also pretty good. I love it.
Nice.
Okay.
All right, give us more.
More reactions.
Right now.
Please.
Right now.
Please.
Right now.
Please.